morning, everybody. There should be a response.
Good morning.
I want to make this more as a participatory session so that everyone will be in a position to participate, and then I do not want any involuntary idle movements. Well, the topic I am going to talk to you today is about the factors that influence opening of an account in a bank. I'm sure all of you are having an account with a bank. Do you?
Yes.
All of you are having an account with the bank. I'm not talking about those who have already retired, because those who have already retired would have been already attached to a bank. I'm talking about those persons who, in spite of having an account with your own bank, why did you choose another bank for your transaction purposes? Now, the topic I give the headline is factors influencing opening of an account or a choice of a bank. Okay. Now, I want every one of you to list at least 3 factors which made you or determine that this is a bank I have to bank with. Now, can I start from Goel? I want you to list it out here. 3 factors which influenced you to open an account with the bank.
You can write on the board. You can write on the board.
Maybe so we can pull up.
This is sufficient.
I want you to do it in an order. So others can just think of what are the factors, because every one of you have had an account with a bank. Everyone is also having an account with a bank, and naturally some basic instinct would have been there in each one of you to select. Say, I want to have a bank account with ICICI Bank. I want to have an account with Kotak Mahindra Bank. There would have been some choice you would have made, or some features which appeal to you to have an account with that bank. Very good, well. Yeah. Anybody? All of you can come. Anyone else who would like to list out at least 2 factors which influenced your opening of an account? ATM coverage, okay. Average quarterly balance. Very good. Please come. Yes, sir. There should always be some thinking, because as bankers, we always, or even as a customer, we always think as to why I should go and then prefer this particular bank. This thought process would have occurred to you at the time of choosing the bank. Since 12 of us are there, excluding me, I need at least 24 answers on my board. Yes, ma'am. Please come. Maybe if something is already written there, or maybe it's your preference, it's okay, it's okay. We'll try to find out if there are any other, there could be certain sort of a duplication in the choice that you have made. Nevertheless, try to find out if there could be certain other additional reasons why you chose this particular bank. You would like to come forward? Okay. Yes, ma'am, come. Good. Very good. Yes, anybody would like to supplement or add to this list? Okay, yeah, please come. Oh. Action, well, have I given opportunity to all of you? Yes. Now, we have on the board about 16 different factors or reasons which have been listed out here for a person to have chosen a particular bank. Now, of the 16, are there anything which are left out which somebody can supplement? Is there anything else which can be treated or, okay, we'll try to find out each one. Now, any customer who wants to have an account, the first and foremost thing he looks for, I would like to arrange this in a different order, though this has been more like a brainstorming, where each one has given his preference. I would like to arrange this in an order where, from the customer point of view, what he looks for in a bank. The first and foremost thing any customer would look to is the brand name. So I would like to list the brand name. Somebody has mentioned as brand here. So the brand name is most important. Why I consider brand as the most important? Why should you consider? Okay, why do you consider brand as the most important? Who wrote this brand? Yeah, why do you consider brand as the most important?
Brand gets developed because of trust they repose in the customers or the public. That brand gets developed also because over a period of time there have been that prove themselves dependable, somebody can trust them. That's how it gets developed. And
Okay, that's good.
Also, balance sheet also helps them in creating the brand.
Oh, you want to break in the balance sheet of the bank
No,
also?
because general public may not know about the balance sheet and all that.
Okay.
Trustworthiness and
No,
dependability.
so what I feel
Trust.
is, at the
Trust.
beginning, it's a trust. Because any customer who would like to choose a bank, would like to know whether it is a well-known bank.
Goodwill, I guess.
Goodwill or well-known bank, because it should be a bank which is having a very good name in the market. Without naming any banks, there are certain banks which a customer would not like to even think of. But there are certain banks, the moment he finds that this particular bank is there, he would like to prefer to have an account with that bank. So, first and foremost, if you feel that the brand of a bank is very important, very good. The brand is an important thing. What do you think is the next important thing?
Accessibility, closeness to your.
Very good. So, one thing is, any person would
I think I
like
would
to
put that first.
would like to have an account which will be facilitating him for easy operations, which is closer to the location where he is staying. The proximity also is very important. There are certain banks which a customer may think, though there is a bank which is very close to me, but the experience in the market, a few of your customers, a few of your friends might have thought that this bank doesn't have all the facilities that you require. Okay. In such a case, even the proximity of the particular branch may not be appealing to the person. But nevertheless, close vicinity is one of the major factors which help you to determine whether you should have an account with a particular bank or not. Very good. Now, besides having chosen the brand, having chosen the vicinity, the
But
location.
I will walk an extra mile too, if the service is better.
Yes, if the, that's what I'm saying. I'm not giving the first place to the proximity because where I find through market reports that I have this particular bank which is having all the facilities, which will be welcoming me more, the service at the front end or the back operations both are very good. Naturally, I would like to prefer that particular bank for the opening of an account. Very good. Then, what will be the third one? Because closeness, this is already taken care. This is taken care. The brand is taken care. Now, what do you understand by this dependable? What did you have in mind when you say that it is dependable?
We are, general public is placing their deposit in the bank. They should be able to depend on the bank to return the deposit as and when they want it.
Maybe
Trust.
trust.
So
maybe
the trustworthy. So
Trusting.
these two go together, isn't it? The trustworthiness, you become, the bank becomes more dependable because they have created a trust in you.
I wrote dependable because general public may not be able to use the word trust.
Okay.
As in they say it's dependable bank.
Okay. Now, service.
Yeah.
Service is very important in the present day context. You find that service rendered by a bank is what determines whether that particular bank can progress in that area or not. So naturally, the type of service that the bank can render is very important. The fact that the customer's needs are addressed through the services that are being rendered by them. So naturally, it is necessary that the bank has to have an efficient service rendered to the customer. Then, public bank or private bank is immaterial. The fact that, because if they have a large network, this is one thing which I thought must be a factor which is not mentioned here. To conclude, a bank, a customer chooses a bank not merely because of its brand name, not merely because of its proximity, but if the bank is able to render all the services that have been mentioned, particularly in the context of your present day technology. If a bank is having more technology, naturally, the customer would like to prefer that because the doorstep banking, what we call as, this is a comfort of your drawing room banking, where you can sit and then operate your banking accounts through the network or the internet. That is most important. I'm sure all of you would have now known by now what is the importance of choosing a bank and what are the factors that are influenced in the opening of a bank. Thank you.